I'm going to be telling you about how you can integrate Google AdSense to Google Sites. Now, first off, I'm going to show you the normal way you can integrate any sites, not just Google Sites, into Google AdSense. First off, from Google AdSense, you want to go to Sites, right? And on Sites, you want to click on New Site. Now, on this new site, you just want to find your actual website to inject it into Google AdSense so we can start showing ads on it, right? So, for example, here I have Google Sites right here, right? And I'm going to copy the publish site link here. I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna paste this in. But you can see if I try to click on save, you can see to add this site, you need to go to the host platform of this site. So you might think, oh, maybe to integrate it, I need to go from the Google sites here, right? But no matter what you will search, no matter how much you go to the settings on the dashboard, it won't be available. Why? Because Google AdSense is not allowed to be used on Google sites. They remove the support for Google AdSense on Google Sites many years ago. So no matter how you try to get around it, no matter how many tricks or how many tips you go through, you will not be able to integrate Google AdSense to Google Sites. And if you even try, or even if you find a working method to integrate AdSense to Google Sites, you're violating their terms and services, and that could get you banned. So I suggest you don't look on any other tutorials, because most of the tutorial, I'm guessing, will be false or will be misinformation. And even if you do find one that works, there could be a potential that you could get banned. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.